In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the height of a row in Excel. If your worksheet looks cramped, your headers are getting cut off, or you just want a cleaner layout. Adjusting row height is a quick way to improve readability. We'll use the most precise method so you can set an exact size and keep your sheet consistent. Start by moving your mouse to the far left edge of the worksheet, where you see the gray row numbers. Right-click directly on the row number for the row you want to adjust. That right-click on the row header is important because it tells Excel you want options that apply to the whole row. If you need to change several rows at once, select them first by dragging across multiple row numbers or hold Shift and click the first and last row you want. Then right-click on any one of the selected row numbers to open the same menu. From the menu that appears, click Row Height. This opens a small dialog box with a single field. Excel measures row height in points, which is a typographic unit. As a quick reference, most default rows are around 15 points when you're using the standard font size. That's fine for short entries, but if your text wraps onto multiple lines, you'll likely want something taller. The advantage of using this dialog is precision. Every row you set to the same value will look uniform across the sheet. Now, type the height you want into the box. For slightly roomier rows, try something in the low 20s. For multi-line text, 25 to 30 points often works well. If you're accommodating larger content like images or big fonts, you may need to go higher. Press Enter or click OK to apply it. If you selected multiple rows earlier, they'll all update at once to the exact value you entered, keeping everything consistent. If the result feels too tight or too spacious, don't worry. Just repeat the same action and enter a different number, or press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. Changing row height affects only the rows you selected on the current sheet, and it won't change any column widths. Also, if your text is wrapped within cells, a taller row height helps the full content show without clipping. That's it. Right-click the row header, choose row height, enter the value you want, and confirm. With just these few clicks, you'll get a cleaner, more readable worksheet tailored to your content.